Oh, 8:30 we're gonna alis na. This yung binabibi ko. Sa mga subscribers ko from TikTok, hello sa inyo. Yan, buhay na buhay yung TikTok ko this past few days. Salamat sa inyo. No, kasi meron kaming pupuntahan ngayon and dadaan muna kami dito sa drugstore kasi bibili kami ng mga gamot ng mga bata at saka breakfast na rin nila. Ano pa lang 9 o'clock pa lang ng umaga. So, yan. Yan yung baby ko. You check first if there's a kurama. Ay. Hi, gozaimasu. Chigo. Oh, they have tongue. Damas is here. Ah, sumimasen. Gozaimasu. Hatang your kutsu. Hi, gozaimasu. Tapos na yung lakad namin and pupunta kami dun sa pupunta kami dun sa isang event na nakaschedule kami ngayon. Yan. So, grabe ang tagal nung misang na-attendan namin ngayon. Inabot siya ng 1 hour and 30 minutes. First time ko mag-attend ng mass dito sa Japan na ganun kahaba. Shukodai! Okay? So, ayan, hanapin ko muna yung address. So, waiting pa kami sa asawa ko. Ayan, and then naalis na kami. Bumili ako ng ano yun? Yung kabi killer talaga. Kaya namatay siya. Yun rin yung ginamit ko sa toilet. Tsaka nilagyan ko ng kabi killer. At tsaka tinuran ako ni Otosang kahapon. I-set yung aircon para mamatay yung mga kabi. Kasi basa daw ang
dapat mga tuyo.
Oo. Sabi niya, wag mong i-off yung aircon. Sabi ko, mainit ka. Sabi niya, hindi. Sinet niya.
Yung green?
Oo.
Ano yan? Pangpatuyo yun ng
ere.
Ere. Para, kunwari magsasampay ka, yun lang, kahit wag sa labas, sa loob.
Yun nga yung sabi niya.
Yan ang dry. Dry tawag dun, dry.
Come here, let's go. Come here na, babies. Oh. Come here. Nandito kami sa Yatsuo. Ayan. Merong postman na kumukuha ng mga mail. Ayan. Miki, let's find a postcard later. Let's buy. For Lola, come here. Ikimasho. Here, baby. Oh. Di pala doon yung event. Binigyan kami ng map and akyat pa kami. Ibang ibang lugar. Let's go. Are you okay? Your hands are hidden.
Ay, no, may.
Saan daddy? Left, right? Oh. Parang dun sa right, di ba? Let's go, baby. Te. Let's go. はい、行くよ。ちょっと待って。あ
寒いからね。
You wanna meet here? Okay.
いいよ。
It's so cold here. So let's get inside.
Oh, is this a new place?
New place.
Yeah.
New. I don't think it's been about more than 10 years.
Oh.
Yeah. So man, this is the lunch I said.
Oh. はい。
You can get a lunch.
たこ焼きね。tatlo daddy.
あ、いいですか？すみません。あれでも。
はい、ありがとうございます。いいよ、baby. Tadi hindi ka tukulangin.
Maybe you like it?
I haven't tried it yet.
Or you really like it? You like it?
I haven't tried it yet.
Ah. Oh, fun night. This is. Yeah, you can try. Milky, you like it? Oh, good.
Tastes so fresh.
Yeah, I think it's fresh and healthier than takoyaki. They use cognac or some
Cognac?
Yeah, cognac instead of octopus.
Is this a vegetarian place?
I don't think so. But they are making with mainly with vegetables or healthy food. Like they also use.
I see that, I saw them, I saw a honey by the doorway.
You wanna try honey?
Maybe later.
Yeah, you can also try the honey. So that honey.
Ah, this one.
Yeah,
this one.
Yeah, that's cognac instead of octopus.
So we should.
Yeah, I'm glad you're here. I also want my guests to try this.
Yes.
Food.
We really did not eat lunch because I told them we're gonna eat here.
That's good.
Yeah. Because it takes a lot of time to eat outside.
And also, you can also drink something. And,
Yeah, I ordered.
And maybe you can try some. You can sample some honey.
Oh.
Harold, do you wanna taste? Maybe he wants to.
Are they gonna make mochi? Are they gonna make mochi now?
Today?
Yeah.
Not today. They are not making like this.
Oh yeah.
Not today.
But
you want-
postcards, right? Postcards.
Yes, postcards.
Ne, Miyuki.
So Miyuki, you are going to make postcards later today in the activities.
Because she sends postcards to my mother. Yeah, in the Philippines. Haruka.
Yeah, you look forward to it.
Yeah.
You look forward to it. Start the event. Let's sing a song. So everyone, please stand up. You are going to sing a song. You're going to sing that is if you're happy and know it.
それここに落ちるの
You decorate your postcard any way you like with crayons or colored pencils. And you can also use stickers Okay. So you guys can use these stickers and colored pencils to draw.
Minko, you wanna join them? He is born in Japan and grown here.
Ah, this one?
Minko,
Oh.
Do you want to stick anything
When I met him,
here?
he does.
I used to be a teacher.
Oh.
I believe the most important factors in learning is curiosity and the joy comes from learning something new.
Magpipicture? Let's go, baby.
Please get together in the Japanese traditional room.
Finish na dyan, baby. Oh, amo na yun. Hama. Come here. Come here na. Yay. Yan, so finish na yung event. And nakaka-refresh kasi ang dami kong nakilalang mga bagong tao again. Tapos, it's been parang 2 years since nung last ko nakita yung friend kong yon, si Yuto. And yan, siya yung nag-organize ng event na yon. Tapos, yan, na-invite niya kami actually, in-invite niya ako, ilang buwan, siguro, December pa yata yun. Maganda dito kasi mga bahay, mga luma, ayan, oh. Yan. Tapos makikita mo talaga yung view ng Toyama. Ang ganda. Here, baby! Here!
It was here, mommy. It was the
Yes, I put it there. Can you open that door there for Haro? He's knocking. Baby, oh, you're sweet, oh.
Thank you.
Baby, did you enjoy?
Of course.
Haro, did you enjoy?
Yeah. That looks like the Mikai was delicious.
Eh.
Did you like it?
Which Mikang? The yellow one?
Yep, that looks like a Mikai.
The bread?
Yep.
Eh.
Nakama.
Mahal ko mas bagay yun dun sa sa ininom natin.
Oo nga. Gas wala. Parang yung per order yata parang isa lang. Isa lang yung makukuha. Let's go, Daddy. Yeah. Okay.
Saan tayo? Uwi na?
Oh, let's go.
Nagkaroon na sa simbahan.
Ibig sabihin nakikinig siya.
Chigas lang.
Pagod ako.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hachang sote. Abo na yun. So, ayan. Nakauwi na kami. And wala na kaming gagawin for today. Magdi-dinner na lang kami. Pero, bago ang lahat is, patulugin ko muna itong baby ko kasi.
Which one?
Yan, pag di kasi siya natulog, maiiyak to. So, ayan. Yan, sobrang dilim. Kakagising ko lang. And bibili kami ng dinner para sa baby ko.
Pag ang engine uminit na, saka may lilabas yun. Kasi yung init na yan, galing yan sa engine.
Yeah. Si Miyuki kahit ano daw. Daddy.
Udong na rin sa kanya.
Udong nga, pero hindi ko alam kung anong flavor gusto niya. Kahit ano daw. Okay na yan, no?
Hindi mo na maanghang.
Okay lang ba yan?
Oo, para pagpawisan siya. Di ba?
Hindi ko alam. Hiriki yung choose ne. Hai. Tapos daan tayong convenience.
Sa loob yung sapatos ko pang no?
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ba yung yung Converse?
Hindi, yung Converse nandun yun sa
Hindi ba nagagamitin mo?
Hindi, yung sa hagdan.
Okay lang yan. Hagdan lang naman, oo. Uy, sobrang lapit. Hindi man.
Bagay na isa nga, yun ang ginamit ko. Pero yung sapatos kong dinala,
Flat lang.
Hindi ko ginamit.
Sobrang flat. Hindi ko makita, Daddy. So yan, nakauwi na kami. And, mami no kore. Gamin. No. Mami no. So, duman kami sa konbini. After namin bumili dun sa, Nakaw, duman din kami sa konbini. And ito yung pizza mang na binili ko. Para to sa akin. Nakaw. For your dinner. Miyagi, come here. Kore wa, kodomo no kare. So, ito yung kare for kids. Ito. Bumili ako ng 3. And then, itong udong. Kore wa miyuki-chan no. Ne? It have a sabaw underneath. Iyo. You eat na. Hichan no udong? Di ba you chose kare? Oh. This one is your sabaw also. Tapos, nag-ano rin kami, nag-order din ako ng udong. Ito. So, bali ang binili namin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 na foods para sa mga anak ko. Yan. So, thank you. Thank you, Daddy. Alam mo, hindi ako nag-order para sa sarili ko. Kasi akala ko, ako yung magbayad. Eh? Spoon? Correct? Kasi? Hi. Yan. You want baby spoon? Your baby spoon? Wait lang. Oh, here, Ricky. So, yan, akala ko kasi, ako yung magbabayad, kaya hindi ako nag-order. Tapos, sinurprise ako ng asawa ko, siya pala yung magbabayad. Sabi ko, Daddy, kaya pala pinipilit niya ako. Sabi niya, kumuha ka na, anong gusto mo? Tapos yun, dahil hindi ko, binilan yung sarili ko. Kasi, gusto ko talaga yung Mizu? Wait lang, ha? Tapos, kaya pala pinipilit niya ako, sabi ni Daddy, sabi niya, bili ka na, haro, it's not supposed to be kalat. Mite. Ora. Ne? Kaya pala sabi ng asawa ko, sabi niya, kumuha ka na kung anong gusto mo. Sabi ko, wag na. Tapos nagluto kasi ako ng ng binagoongan. Tapos gusto ko yung binagoongan. Gusto ko yung binagoongan kasi meron siyang coconut milk. Tapos ito yung coconut milk na ginamit ko. Ayan. Medyo mura to kaysa dun sa mga regular na coconut milk. Saan ko ba to nabili? Hindi ko sure ha kung sa Donkey ko to nabili. Mga nasa 200 lang to. Oy, no sound while eating. It's not supposed to be like that. Baby, you have a sabaw here pa. Okay? Tapos sabi niya, bawi na lang raw ako sa konbini. Tapos pagdating sa konbini, nagpabili ako ng Yakult. Ininom ko na siya. Pero hindi sarap ng konbini. Tapos bumili ako ng pizza mang saka pudding. Eh?
Mami, nang gochang ko yung tiyot mo.
Ahara! Oishi? Hindi. You can use this, ha? For your wipes. Ay, wipes for your mouth. Ne? Apa? After that, you can, drink medicine and then you'll jumbi. Hey, no watching anything, sir.
No,
No, red. So, this ne. No watch while eating. No watching while eating.
Don't eat while watching.
Don't eat while watching. So, this ne. Kaya, akala ko, gusto niya mag-insist siyang mag-watch, pero binigay niya lang pala tong iPad ko. Huwag daw magwa-watch habang kumakain. So, ayan. Ito yung thermometer nila. Is today okay? Did you have a great day? Di you gambatan eh? You wash your face apo and then you toothbrush before sleeping. Apa? You jumbi ne? Hitchang mo. Hatchang mo ne? Imananji. Oh. It's already 8. Ne. Okay? So, that's it. And, ayan, magjujumbi na ako. Maglinis. Thank you for watching.
Bye!
Bye!